Hi there, it's Stu from StuTech, and yet I'm back with another tech tip of the day. So today we're going to talk about one key, many doors, bad idea. You know what I'm talking about? Using the same password for everything. I'm not a big fan of it because reusing or using the same password for everything is like having one key to your house, your car, your mailbox, your bank account, your investments, whatever. Here's the thing. If the hacker gets the one password, they have access to everything. My tip today is use unique logins for each account, store them safely in a password manager, and different passwords for things. Now, I talk about the password manager a lot in my videos and other things. I recommend it highly. It's a few bucks a month and it will keep you completely safe. It'll help you change your passwords. So stop using one key for everything. It's not a skeleton key anymore. So again, secure your passwords, secure your logins, use a password manager. I'm Stu from StuTech with the tech tip of the day. Remember, call us, not your kids.